Welcome to Locamized, your source for all your local business's digital marketing needs. Now let's take a look at the advertising intelligence software that gives you an overview as well as an in-depth analysis of all your advertising campaigns on Google Ads and Facebook Business.
Advertising intelligence brings ad campaigns from Google, Facebook, and many more into one dashboard. You have the ability to easily compare ad campaigns across platforms, find trends over time, and report ROI, all in real time. Here is how the product works. Upon launching Advertising Intelligence, you're taken to the overview page of the product. When launching the product for the first time, you're prompted to connect your Google Ads and Facebook Ads accounts. On the overview page, metrics clients' Google Ads and Facebook Ads are shown in two cards. For each of the accounts, the overall impressions, clicks, click-through rate, cost per click, spend, conversions, and ROI are shown in real time for each ad platform. On the right, the date range is locked to the last 30 days. Joanne's employees can log in at any time to see how ad campaigns are performing and adjust ad spend based on performance. The Advanced Reporting add-on has everything they need. Coming back into Advertising Intelligence with the Advanced Reporting add-on again, we see Google Ads and Facebook Ads reporting metrics in the top two cards. Now have the ability to change the date range from the last 7 days to all time or to a custom date range. This gives the ability to spot trends in the ad campaigns over time in order to more effectively time ads or better allocate ad budget spend. Now have the ability to see a breakdown of individual ad campaigns within Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Upon account connection, they can also choose which accounts they would like to appear within Advertising Intelligence. Similar to the cards above, each individual campaign shows the ROI, client spend, conversions, client cost per click, click-through rate, clicks, and impressions. It also shows when the campaign starts and ends, the network, and the status of the campaign. Joanne can sort the campaigns by each metric, are able to customize the table to their preferences, depending on what they are hoping to analyze. By clicking the filter button, they have the option to filter out Google Ads or Facebook Ads campaigns and the status of the campaigns. Can also filter out any metrics they don't wish to see or analyze in the table. Unchecking a metric will remove it from the table, and rechecking will add it back in. Each campaign is highlighted in blue, meaning that you can click into individual campaigns in order to see more detail on that campaign. The Campaign Details page allows further analyze ad campaigns. Along the top, we see the campaign name, the campaign status, and the ability to select a date range. The first card is the objective card. The corresponding measurement will populate below. We see that they have already chosen brand awareness as the objective, with the measurement of impressions, and where those impressions came from shown below. By clicking on the gear wheel in the corner, have the ability to change their campaign objective if desired. As you can see, there are several objectives with relevant measurements to choose from. The second card is the campaign funnel. This is a visual of the client journey, from the first exposure to the customer conversion. The campaign funnel shows the number of impressions, clicks, and conversions. The third card is an overview of the campaign and customer engagement results, with details on the click-through rate, client cost per click, client spend, ROI, average sale, and close rate. Scroll down, we see further analysis of the campaigns. The first section is a keyword analysis. The table lists all keywords for the campaign, along with the relevant metrics. By clicking on the Ads tab, we are taken to an analysis of each ad in the campaign. If there is a visual, it will appear along with the ad name, ad status, ad group, and the relevant metrics. To get back to our overview page, simply click the Overview button at the top right corner. Clicking on the Settings tab will take us to the Settings page that have multiple locations, for them a view from their Business Center account that allows them to see their digital ad campaign performance across locations. This view makes it to track and compare ad campaign performance across their locations. You can see the overall impressions, clicks, and conversions across locations. By scrolling down, you can also see a breakdown of these metrics by location in order to track each individual location's performance on their ad campaigns. Sorting by each metric is an option for easier analysis. You can utilize the many benefits of advertising intelligence. Check out Advertising Intelligence today.
Locamized is your source for all your local business's digital marketing needs. We have the software and services to get your business to the top of Google My Business and generate traffic from across the web.